Kevin!
Yeah, that's the one we're looking for. Now enter the password. Great job. It's got all the info on where the money's hidden.
Kevin!
One down, 3 to go. Throw the bags into the sea. You can pick them up when you leave.
Kevin! Kevin! 케빈가 오르라.
Two down, 2 to go.
Hi, it's me, Laura. Okay, listen, just to give you a heads up, Senator Simmons' personal aid call. The senator has a schedule for him.
I wonder who sleeps here.
Three down, just 1 to go.
케빈야, 키츠케. 주의세, 케빈야. 케빈야, 키츠케, 케빈. 케빈. 케빈.
Oh, that's really good wine.
주의세, 케빈야. 케빈. 케빈.
As you can see, the library here is a balcony with
Order
views
that,
of the
Kevin.
dining room. The owner has a huge collection of books here. I know I saw some Sartre here, and there was definitely some Tolstoy too.
케빈 야, 키츠케이. 케빈가 온다.
Great. That's the last of them.
케빈.
Okay, that's great. Now for that server. If you get back to that laptop and hook me up, I should be able to open the room where the server is.
주의세, 케빈이야. 케빈가 오르라. 케빈이야, 사가토래. 케빈. 케빈. 케빈.
Okay, connect me, and I'll have this done in a few seconds.
케빈. 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 케빈가 오르라. 케빈.
Okay, guys, you're in. If you overheat the system, it'll do a soft reboot, giving you access to the controls. Then you can get the server. You'll need to overheat the secondary servers. Turning off the flow of coolant should do it. That should do it. They'll overheat now and cause that reboot.
케빈. 케빈. 케빈이야, 사가토래. 주의세, 케빈이야.
Watch the heat rise. You'll get that reboot.
케빈이야, 키츠케이. 케빈.
Okay, now for overriding the main panel.
케빈. 케빈. 케빈이야, 사가토래. 주의세,
Check 2 overrides.
케빈이야.
More to go. Just one more now.
케빈. 케빈가 오르라. 케빈. 케빈.
Here we go. Money in a box. You can escape now, or maybe look for more valuables. Your choice. Great job, gang. You really screwed McKendrick over this time. He won't be happy when he finds out all that money's gone.